Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar City. Today we'll see one of the real-time scenario of DBT Macro. So requirement is that what? So in my table contains one column employed contains numbers, special characters, spaces are there. But requirement is that what I want to get only numbers. Okay. Requirement is that what I want to get only numbers. I don't want special characters. Alpha numeric only we need to get numeric value. So this is the requirement. Okay, so before that, you need to understand what is DBT macro. So macros are nothing but it's a piece of SQL code that can be reused, same as UDF, user defined function. So main purpose of DBT is a code reusability purpose. So syntax is that what macro name, number of argument, our logic. So see the same thing. Remember, if you want to solve any requirement, you should have the basic concepts, what exactly it is, and what's the use case and syntaxes. Okay, this is the syntax macro, name of the macro, and the arguments, and our logic. And one more update is that what from 31st January, a new DBT batch is going to start. If you want, you can able to reach out to the number. Okay. So we'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, always prepare data when you're trying to do anything. Okay, so this is my dummy data. Let me select the table. So select star from EMP underscore T. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now requirement is that what I want to remove them special characters. Take the only necessary column employee ID. Employee ID. So first to make with SQL concept. So point is the requirement is that what I want to remove special characters like spaces, okay, alphabets or anything. Just I want to get only numbers. So for this purpose, you go for a regexp replace. See a regexp a replace. So bracket open, bracket close. So we should go for. So the concept is that what okay, see put in an array kind of thing. So cap symbol 0 to 9. See the data, then you can able to get. Okay, so wherever special characters are there, I am putting as of now XC. So see wherever see it says special characters are alphabets, we are making to X. Instead of X, what happened? I want to remove. So the same function. So wherever special apart from numbers, if I get any value, I'm trying to replace with suppose like with the hyphen or something. So instead of this, what happens? Simply remove this functional. Okay, so a requirement is that what wherever apart from numbers. So this is the negation. So apart from numbers, if anything come, we are trying to replace with empty string. So this is normal SQL. Same thing, same concept we need to put inside DBT. So with the help of DBT macro, see the syntax. So macro. So remove alphabets special characters okay, so macro I'm giving one name, so put our logic. So our logic should be written here. Okay, see now what happened? How many arguments we should pass? We should pass single argument column instead of employee ID column. How db notes an argument? Put in the JINJA expression. Okay, see put in the JINJA expression. Okay, see now where I should save this one in the macros. Control V dot SQL. Okay, so create. Now point is that what? Okay, now our table name is what? Employee table. See the same functionality. Control C. Go to the DBT. Open one more session. See employee ID. Regexp replace. Try to execute. So it's giving the data. Now instead of using the logic, I am going for reusable table. That is macro. What's our macro name? So macro name. So this is the macro name. Control C, go here and try to, so JINJA expression. Okay. So try to call the column name. What's our column name? That is employee ID, and try to preview the data. Tell me this is coming from our Regexp replace, and this is coming from the macro. So macro logic. Okay, see, preview the data. So one more time, if you're not able to understand, I'll try to create the one more macro. So see syntax is underscore macro name. What's logic? Regexp replace. So put column 1. Then what I need to put, okay, see the logic. What's the logic? Okay, say single quote. So array, so cap symbol 0 to 9. So whenever, apart from 0 to 9, if anything, we need to replace with what? Replace with empty thing. Okay, Regexp replace the column 1. So this is the logic. So the same thing. So this is column 1 is nothing but an argument. How DBT notes an argument we should put inside the JINJA expression. So JINJA expression. Okay, so same. So put one something like Regexp macro. Okay, so where I should save this one? Control C, Control S, dot SQL. Okay, so SQL, put in the macros folder. Okay. Now, how to call this one in the normal select statement? What's our table name? Table name is employee ID. See, simple thing. Select star from employee ID. Control Enter. Now see, take only the necessary column, that is employee ID column. So this we are contains what? It contains alphanumeric special character. So with the help of macro, what's our macro name? That is regexp macro, and we need to pass the single quote our column name. Okay, try to compile and preview the data. So see, so we're getting, so without special characters, without alphabets, only numbers we are getting. So this is the concept of regexp. So see macro. So see the logic. Regexp macro is the macro name. Column 1 is the argument, and our logic. So apart from number, if you get anything, we are trying to replace it. So this is the concept. So defining one time, and we can able to use in multiple places. So main purpose of macro is that a reusability purpose. Define one time and make it in multiple places. Hope this clear. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.